That solar power kit. About to take that out the box. See, this thing is useful for just more than Bitcoin mining. Look at that. You can use it at home, backup power. Use it at anything where you want to. Take it out there on the boat. Use it on an RV, campfire. About to take this thing to a different level. See that? It's portable. You just put it up in there and push the button. So we're finna see how this thing works. It's pretty good too. It's 1800 watts. You see that? 1800 watts. Come from China. Matter of fact, almost all this stuff y'all gonna see come from China. This all the pieces and parts to this duct system because I gotta get the heat out of here. I'm gonna show y'all later on what the power supply look like. It's over there. So I'm just opening up the stuff. The miner get here tomorrow. So remember that. Solar power kit. Portable. On sale on my website.